Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Vivaro TRAFIC L2 Diesel 2900 1.6CDTI 115PS H1 van Open mouth smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 103,880. MOT, 10 February 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PS E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Needs at least one injector replacing. Starts straightaway but when it's cold, it's misfiring but clears and idles good once warmed up, it's smoking which is unburned fuel. The engine is 100% just needs an injector or two replacing straightforward, simple repair on these as they fly out. Grin. The van overall is very tidy and is worth putting in the effort to getting it back going. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still actually drives okay. Starstruck. Condition summary, bodywork is in excellent condition. Interior is in average condition. Rear load area is in nice clean condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: electric windows. EU status, Euro 5.